The belief in a flat Earth, an idea that dates back thousands of years, asserts that the Earth is not a spherical planet, but a flat, disk-like surface. Although this notion was widely accepted in ancient civilizations, it has been thoroughly debunked by centuries of scientific evidence. Despite overwhelming proof that the Earth is round, the flat Earth theory has experienced a resurgence in recent years, fueled by social media and conspiracy theory communities. This article examines the history of the flat Earth theory, the scientific evidence disproving it, and the reasons behind its modern-day popularity. In ancient times, many civilizations, including the Babylonians, Egyptians, and early Greeks, believed that the Earth was flat. They often imagined it as a flat disk surrounded by oceans, with the sky above and an underworld below. These early views were largely based on simple observation. The Earth seemed flat from a ground-level perspective, and the horizon appeared as a straight line. However, as human knowledge and exploration expanded, new evidence began to challenge this view. The ancient Greek philosopher Pythagoras, around 500 BCE, was one of the first to suggest that the Earth might be spherical. By the time of Aristotle, 384 to 322 BCE, there was strong evidence for a round Earth. Aristotle pointed to observations such as the shape of the Earth's shadow on the moon during a lunar eclipse and the fact that travelers heading south could see different stars in the night sky. These clues indicated that the Earth was indeed a sphere. By the time of the Middle Ages, the spherical Earth was widely accepted by scholars and navigators. Christopher Columbus's journey to the Americas and the voyages of explorers, such as Ferdinand Magellan, provided further confirmation. Despite these advancements, the flat Earth theory persisted in some cultures and subgroups. Modern science has provided an abundance of evidence proving that the Earth is round. Some of the key proofs include photographic evidence from space. Perhaps the most straightforward and irrefutable evidence comes from the numerous photographs of Earth taken from space. Since the launch of the first satellites in the mid-20th century, humans have been able to see the Earth as a round blue sphere. These images, taken by astronauts and unmanned space missions, clearly show the planet's curvature. The horizon. When standing at sea level or looking out over a large body of water, the horizon always appears flat. However, when one rises in altitude, for example, on a plane or a tall building, the curvature of the Earth becomes visible. This phenomenon is a result of the Earth's spherical shape. Gravity. The Earth's gravitational pull is uniform, pulling objects toward the center of the planet. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth casts a shadow on the moon. This shadow is always round, which is only possible if the Earth itself is spherical. If the Earth were flat, its shadow would appear as a line or another shape depending on the orientation of the flat surface. Long-distance travel, especially by airplane, relies on the Earth's curvature for navigation. Airplanes fly along curved paths to follow the Earth's shape, which can be seen on a globe. Additionally, satellites orbit the Earth in predictable patterns that would not be possible if the planet were flat. These satellites, used for communication, weather monitoring, and global positioning systems (GPS), provide real-time evidence of Earth's roundness. Despite overwhelming scientific evidence, the flat Earth theory has gained new followers in recent years, largely due to the spread of misinformation online. Social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter have allowed flat Earth proponents to share videos, articles, and forums promoting their beliefs. Flat Earthers often argue that the scientific community, governments, and space agencies like NASA are part of a global conspiracy to hide the truth about the Earth's shape. The resurgence of the flat Earth theory can be attributed to several factors. Many flat earthers express a deep mistrust of government institutions, scientists, and other authorities. This skepticism leads them to reject mainstream scientific findings and seek alternative explanations for the natural world. The flat Earth movement often overlaps with other conspiracy theories. Believers may argue that evidence of a round Earth has been fabricated by powerful elites to control the population. This mindset can lead to a rejection of all scientific evidence, no matter how credible or convincing. Flat earthers often seek out information that confirms their existing beliefs and ignore or dismiss evidence that contradicts them. This phenomenon, known as confirmation bias, reinforces their views and makes it difficult to engage in productive discussions about scientific facts. Online communities allow flat earthers to connect with like-minded individuals, reinforcing their beliefs. In these spaces, misinformation can spread unchecked, and dissenting opinions or evidence are often dismissed or ridiculed. The belief in a flat Earth is a relic of ancient thinking that has been thoroughly discredited by centuries of scientific discovery. From photographs of the Earth from space to the fundamental laws of physics and gravity, the evidence overwhelmingly supports the conclusion that the Earth is a round, spherical planet. While modern flat Earth proponents may reject this evidence in favor of conspiracy theories and misinformation, their claims do not stand up to scrutiny.